Hello, welcome back to 3D Drawing for Mod Railway. In today's episode, we're going to get started on the 14-ton ferry van, and we're going to start by adding in the canvases. Same as we've done previously, we just insert canvas from your computer, and then you've got to navigate to where you've got the files, and then click on OK, and you've got to select which profile plane to put it onto. So I'm just going to come onto the side profile here, and click on OK. And we can zoom in. You can see it's the wrong way round. It's not an issue. We can edit that canvas. Let's just flip horizontally. And click on OK. Okay, so right click, calibrate. And then we can actually, before I calibrate, I'm going to rotate it slightly. So I'm just going to edit the canvas and put a little bit of rotation in here. Probably 1 or 2 degrees to take that angle off. I'm going to rotate mine 1.3 I think to start with, and if it needs I'll add some more in afterwards. Okay, right click, calibrate, and then we can see that the wheelbase is 20 foot, so we can add that in. Even though I'm working, when I do the model, in millimetres, I can just type in there 20 and then foot, and it will automatically calibrate that. So it's gone. There we go. Okay, so that's gone up to, actually let's redo that, because I've done it as 20 foot rather than scaling it. So it's done up to the full size. So it's 20 foot divided by 148 N gauge. Okay, so there's the first one added in. Do the same on but on the next profile plane. I'm going to put it at 90 degrees to the original. Let's flip it horizontal, click on OK, rotate it around to look at it. Okay. That actually doesn't look too far off vertical, weirdly enough. Edit that canvas, do the same as before. Edit. We'll calibrate the canvas. There. 20 foot divided by 148. Okay, probably needs a little rotation in there, so edit that. I did 1.3mm on the last rotation. And then I'm just going to move this canvas. I'm just going to move it horizontally across. To the side of the van here. Okay, so that's probably going to need about 0.1mm. 66.1 for me. Okay, so next I'm going to draw a sketch on this side profile. I'm just going to draw a rectangle that will take up from the bottom of the body to just above the roof line there. Okay, and all I'm going to use this for is I'm going to extrude. I'm going to use it to line up with this canvas, which that's not far off actually. I'm pretty happy with actually how that's come out. It's pretty much spot on where we wanted it. Okay, excellent. What I will do is move this initial canvas, this one on the front here. I'm going to move it across horizontally, and we're going to get the edges lined up. Excellent. So now I've got these two canvases lined up where I want them. I'm just going to remove, delete these two items out of the history, the drawing of the body and extrusion of it, so we've got a blank canvas to start from. In the next episode we'll come back and we'll start to draw the body shape, I'll show you how I create the profiles, and we'll start adding more detail to it as we go along. Thanks for watching, please come on for the next episode.